Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about stack. So stack is also a widget like row and column. So it gives more facilities that we can put or position the widgets inside anywhere we want. If you are not going to add your widgets row wise or column wise, then you can go with stack. Stack gives the facilities to put every widget you want below each other like this in the picture. Widget number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. So how we can implement on the code? So let's go inside our Visual Studio Code and see how we can do that. So in here guys we have a simple application. I already run that stuck with nothing inside. So first thing first, let's go in body and replace the container to a stack. A stack has a children that we can add our other widgets as its child. Now the first widget we are going to add on our stack is a card like this. Card, we can give it colors dot or blue gray, and stack also has a property fit stack fit dot expand, and let's save it. Now we have our blue gray card inside our stack. The fit property expands our card, which takes the whole stack area. So let's give a margin to our card by typing margin edge inset dot symmetric horizontal of 140 and the vertical is 40, and let's save it. Okay, we can change it to 140, the horizontal 40 and the vertical 140, and let's save it. And now we have our card inside our stack. So now I want to bring an image to the top of this card. How we can do that? By going the end of the card, putting a comma, and there is another widget called position widget. A positioned widget can position the other widgets which is inside of it. So it comes with stack and it gives us more facilities to arrange our stack widgets on our screen. I want to bring an image from asset, image.asset. So the name of the image I can put from images slash my one is flutter.png and give a double quoted comma. So now if you want to bring a picture from assets, you have to go and create a folder by the name of images and put your image inside, and you have to go to the pubspec.yaml file. In here you have to uncomment the asset, give the name of your picture dot its extension and save it. Make sure there is no error and come back to the main, and you can type the URL here, save it. Okay, it's a little big, so we can give it a size by giving a width of 130 and a comma, height of 130, and save. Now we have our circular image a little smaller. How we can bring it on the top of this widget? We can give a left and top, left of 130 and a top of 50, and save. Let's see. Now we have our picture on the top of this card, so we can arrange as we want. I will bring it a little to the right by increasing the left to 40 and the top to 60 or 70. So now we can put the left of 140 and the top of 70 to bring our image on the top of our card. So how we can bring an other widget, a text widget in here? We can go again inside our stack, put a comma, another child of position, a child of text which contains a name, Alicia Faye. Let's give it style by going text style and add a color to colors dot white because our background is blue gray, and comma font weight dot bold. Control S. Now we have our text on the top, but we can bring it down here by giving the top and left of 150 and the top of 50 or 80, and let's save it. Here is our text in here. We can give a top of 200 to bring it a little down here, a left of 70 and a top of 120. Here is our text widget at the center of the card and below the image. So the stack arrange its child according to the priority. Which comes first will be behind others, and the second, which is our image from assets, is here. Now the third will be our text widget, which is the top of all. How I can, for example, tag this image behind this card? By going and select this positioned widget and control exit, then put before card and save it. Now we have the card below the image. So we don't want that type, so we can undo that. It looks better. So guys, it is enough for today about stack, and I hope you learned something from this video. And for supporting me to continue, please subscribe the channel, and if you like it, please thumbs up. Thank you, and see you in the next video.